Hey, it's Sam down here at the Arcade Gun Show at Springfield, Missouri. It's 11 o'clock and they still got people lined up all the way down in the parking lot. This is crazy. I'm going to show you guys something. If you want to come to a show this weekend, quality show, come out to the Arcade Gun Show at the fairgrounds in Springfield, Missouri. Check this out. You have to wear a mask, so you know. In Springfield, it's the rule. There's some information here. No loaded firearms, magazines, clips. Walk in, hand sanitizing stations.
You don't see many of those.
This place is packed, wall-to-wall people. Everybody's wearing a mask. Going to give you an idea right now. That's one hole. And this is the second hole. Okay. Let me flip this around here real quick. It's going to let me. I don't think it's going to let me. Hey, it's Sam. Come down, check it out. Springfield, Missouri. Arcade Gun Show. Fairgrounds. Going on today and tomorrow. Go to arcadeshows.com for information. I'll talk to you later.